What if I told you there's an electric military buggy with a drone on its back and a machine gun firing 6,000 rounds per minute? Would you believe it's real? Rhin Metal Keeler Next Generation. The Rhin Metal Keeler NG is a cutting-edge demining vehicle designed to ensure safe passage for troops through hazardous terrains. Capable of clearing 250 meters of mines per minute, it effortlessly overcomes anti-tank ditches and rugged obstacles. Despite its imposing 63-ton build, the Keeler NG can accelerate up to 65 kilometers per hour, providing both power and mobility. Its two-person crew benefits from remote operation options, enhancing safety during missions. Defensive features include a deployable smokescreen system and a remote-controlled 12.7mm machine gun, ensuring protection while clearing mines. With the Keeler NG on the move, any attempt to impede advancing forces becomes futile. Which of these powerful armored machines impressed you the most? Share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting content. Leopard 2 ARC 3.0. The Leopard 2 ARC 3.0 stole the spotlight at Eurosatory 2024, showcasing a bold leap in tank design. Unlike its predecessors, this version ditches the traditional human gunner, opting instead for advanced electronic systems. Its fully autonomous ARC 3.0 turret rotates independently on dual pivot points, ensuring the cannon remains level with the chassis, while reducing the tank's exposure by 30%. A high-speed autoloader fires 3 shells in just 10 seconds, supported by a remote-operated 30mm cannon and integrated missile system for long-range engagements. While its sensors and AI can analyze threats independently, the final decision to fire still rests with human operators, at least for now. Mirari Smart. The Mirari Smart Aircraft redefines versatility in aerial military operations, serving as a reconnaissance, surveillance, and precision strike platform. Acting as a flying command center, it integrates state-of-the-art optical, electronic, and infrared sensors to provide comprehensive battlefield awareness from altitudes up to 9,000 meters. This dual-capacity machine blends the functions of reconnaissance planes and attack helicopters, offering near-vertical takeoff and landing capabilities. Measuring 10.5 meters in length with a 12-meter wingspan, Mirari Smart delivers precise missile strikes with minimal collateral damage. Its energy-efficient design allows prolonged flight missions, making it an indispensable tool for modern warfare's ever-evolving landscape. Humvee Hot Rod. This Humvee's transformation from rugged military vehicle to eye-catching hot rod is nothing short of remarkable. Customized by Danton Arts Customs, it boasts a 717-horsepower Hellcat Vive 8 engine, delivering exhilarating performance. Its 4.5-meter length is complemented by a bold design featuring smaller front wheels and larger rear wheels for an aggressive stance. Enhanced with disc brakes for high-speed safety and a unique triaxle configuration, this low-riding beast has taken social media by storm, turning heads and earning admiration from car enthusiasts and even its fellow vehicles. Pasu, which one of these incredible machines impressed you the most? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Fennec FAO. The Fennec FAO stands as a highly advanced reconnaissance and artillery support vehicle, renowned for its precision navigation and operational efficiency. Essential for locating targets and directing artillery fire, this 12-ton vehicle is powered by a 237-horsepower engine, enabling speeds of up to 100 kilometers per hour with an impressive 1,000-kilometer range. Its 3-person crew, comprising a driver, commander, and operator, can sustain missions lasting up to 5 days. Equipped with an automatic grenade launcher and a machine gun, the Fennec FAO ensures swift and effective engagements, leaving adversaries uncertain whether they've been hit by an armored vehicle or a stealthy desert fox. Nikola Reckless LTITV. The Nikola Reckless LTITV stands out as an electric all-terrain vehicle designed to meet the rigorous demands of modern military operations. Its blend of speed, versatility, and advanced technology makes it an invaluable asset on the battlefield. Armed with a roof-mounted remote-controlled machine gun capable of firing 6,000 rounds per minute, this buggy ensures formidable firepower. A rear platform accommodates a reconnaissance drone, enhancing its surveillance capabilities. Powered by a 555 horsepower electric motor, the Reckless boasts a 322-kilometer range and a top speed of 95 kilometers per hour. It supports a payload of 635 kilograms, comfortably transporting 4 fully equipped soldiers. With its rugged design and off-road excellence, the Nikola Reckless is built for challenging terrains. Just keep it off the beach for optimal performance. Street Mile ATV. The Mile ATV by Street Group is engineered for off-road enthusiasts who demand high performance and low maintenance. Its 5-speed manual gearbox and fuel-efficient diesel engine allow it to conquer rugged landscapes effortlessly. With seating for multiple passengers in its dual-row cabin and a payload capacity of roughly a ton, it's built for demanding missions. An enhanced variant offers a front-mounted winch and a large trailer, making it ideal for towing and transport tasks. Whether navigating rocky trails or muddy paths, the Mile ATV is ready for any challenge the wilderness throws at it. Which of these remarkable military machines stood out to you? Drop your opinions in the comments. AC. The 8AC amphibious bulldozer is built to handle the toughest shoreline preparations, making it indispensable for military operations. It levels terrain, digs defensive ditches, and transports materials via a cable system with remarkable efficiency. A standout feature is its balanced tank system, which collects and releases soil as needed to maintain stability. The AAC's unique suspension allows the front section to raise, lower, or tilt, enhancing its versatility. Operated by a 2-person crew, it comes equipped with modern technology, including day-night vision systems and air conditioning, ensuring peak performance in the harshest environments. Sikorsky S-97 Raider. The Sikorsky S-97 Raider redefines tactical aviation with its groundbreaking design and capabilities. Clocking speeds of up to 410 kilometers per hour, it nearly doubles the velocity of standard helicopters without compromising agility. Built for high-performance missions, it transports 6 fully armed soldiers with ease, operating at altitudes of 3 kilometers and enduring extreme temperatures. Its unique coaxial rotor system ensures continued flight even if the tail rotor is compromised, making it highly resilient in combat. The S-97 is poised to become a critical asset in rapid assault and strike operations, setting a new standard for military helicopters. Bell Boeing V-22 Osprey. The Bell Boeing V-22 Osprey, a familiar sight in Hollywood's military blockbusters, is far more than just a cinematic icon. Known for its tiltrotor design, it reaches speeds of 500 kilometers per hour and covers distances up to 1,600 kilometers. With a maximum takeoff weight of 24 tons, the Osprey hovers at altitudes exceeding 3,000 meters and transports 24 troops plus 4 crew members. Used extensively in air assault medevac and VIP transport missions, it also performs aerial refueling. If machines had emotions, the V-22 would undoubtedly take pride in both its silver screen fame and its battlefield prowess. Which military marvel captured your attention? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Zumwalt-class destroyer. The Zumwalt-class destroyer, a stealth warship in the U.S. Navy's fleet, combines cutting-edge technology with formidable firepower. Weighing nearly 16,000 tons, its angular hull design reduces radar detectability while housing 2 Rolls-Royce MT-30 gas turbines, each producing 47,500 horsepower for speeds up to 30 knots. Manned by 147 crew members with room for 28 Marines, the Zumwalt is armed with 80 Tomahawk missile cells, two 155mm advanced guns, and sophisticated defense systems, including Fire Scout drones. Its stealth capabilities may keep it hidden from radar, but its presence on the high seas is unforgettable. Saab A-26 Bleaking. The Saab A-26 Bleaking-class submarines are among the Swedish Navy's most advanced underwater vessels, designed to dominate the northern seas with unmatched stealth and versatility. Weighing 2,000 tons, they utilize diesel-electric propulsion combined with Stirling AIP batteries, enabling prolonged underwater operations without surfacing for recharging. A standout innovation is the multi-mission portal system, which allows for the deployment of manned and unmanned vehicles from the bow compartment. Their stealth capabilities are so advanced that adversaries might only realize their presence after the mission is complete. Engineered for resilience, these submarines have undergone rigorous tests against underwater explosions, with the crew on board, proving their robustness in hostile environments. These incredible armored machines showcase the future of military innovation, each built to dominate land, air, and sea with unmatched power and precision. Which one left you in awe? Let us know your favorite in the comments below, and if you enjoyed this showcase, don't forget to hit that like button, share the video with fellow military tech enthusiasts, and subscribe for more thrilling content on cutting-edge armored vehicles and battlefield technology.